Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make an animated video in 2023. Animated videos are a great way to captivate your audience and convey complex ideas in a fun and engaging way. We'll be covering everything from choosing the right software to creating characters and adding special effects. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your software. The first step in creating an animated video is to choose your software. There are a lot of options out there, but some popular ones include Adobe Animate, Toon Boom, and Blender. You'll want to choose a software that suits your needs and your budget. Step 2. Plan your story before you start animating. It's important to plan out your story. This means creating a storyboard and scripting out your video. This will help you stay organized and make sure you don't miss any important details. Step 3. Create your characters. Once you've got your story planned out, it's time to create your characters. This can be done in your software of choice using tools like drawing tablets or 3D modeling software. You can also find pre-made character models online if you're looking to save time. Step 4. Animate your characters. With your characters created, it's time to start animating. This involves creating keyframes and in-between frames to bring your characters to life. There are a lot of different techniques to use, such as hand-drawn animation or motion graphics, so choose the one that works best for you. Step 5. Add special effects. To make your video really stand out, consider adding special effects. This can include things like particle effects, explosions, or lighting effects. Again, this will depend on the software you're using and the techniques you're comfortable with. Step 6. Edit and export your video. Once you've finished animating and adding effects, it's time to edit and export your video. This involves adding music and sound effects, adjusting the timing of your animations, and making any other final tweaks. Then, you can export your video in the format of your choice. Conclusion: that's it. With these steps, you should be able to create an animated video in 2023. Remember to choose your software wisely, plan your story carefully, and have fun with the animation process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.